Name?
Myself, Palakasana.
And where are you from?
We are from Faridabad.
You're from Faridabad? Same here.
Which sector?
Sector 28. Yeah.
37.
Sector?
37.
37, nice. And so where were you seated or standing?
We were actually seated at 827.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how was your experience?
It was pretty good, and like this was my very first concert.
Okay.
So I had a very good experience overall.
Okay. And which was your favorite song out of the all songs?
My eyes.
My Eyes. Okay. And did you feel any problem with the concert?
No, it was comfortable.
It was comfortable for you?
Yeah.
And as a girl, like, do you feel safe in the concert?
Yeah, it was very safe.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. May I have your name, please?
I'm Nisha.
Okay. Yeah. And where are you from? From Faridabad itself. And you were seating in the A27? Yeah. And how was your experience?
Very nice.
Okay. And which was your favorite song?
My eyes.
My Okay. And did you felt any problem with the concert?
No, not at all.
Okay. Thank you so much, Isha. Thank you.
Hello, hi.
What is your
I'm
name?
Bhumi.
You're Bhumi. And where you from?
I'm from Assam, but I'm staying in Delhi right now.
Yeah,
Staying in
great.
Delhi.
Yes.
Okay. And how was your overall experience of the concert?
Oh my God, watching him on stage, like on live, it was so good. It
Okay.
Was, I cannot even explain the experience that I felt.
It was amazing.
Amazing.
Okay. And this was the first concert?
Yes.
This was the first concert?
Yes.
And Travis?
Yes.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's why it was so huge.
Okay. And in which section you were sitting or standing?
It was silver.
Silver section.
Yes.
Okay. So overall, what was your favorite song?
Goosebumps. Now I was
Goosebumps.
literally waiting him to sing that song, and again, it was amazing.
It was amazing. So as a girl, can I ask you, did you felt any safety concerns at all?
Like I was so into it, I
You did
didn't
not
have
care
those
about
things.
it.
Yeah, I didn't really have those things in my head that time.
Okay. So overall, it was an amazing experience.
Amazing. I would like to have it again.
You'd like to have it again? You can have it tomorrow.
Yeah.
You can come again.
If I get a chance, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can I take your experience?
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Tuleka.
Tuleka. That's a nice name.
Nice to
Where
you.
you from?
I'm from Guwahati, but I'm working currently in Gurgaon.
Okay, you're
So
working
we
in
both are
Gurgaon.
sisters, yeah.
You're both sisters?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And you
You
were the
look
silver
similar.
section, right?
Yeah, same.
So how was your overall experience?
My overall experience was amazing. So I attend many concerts like Lucky LA and A.R. Rahman.
Okay.
But this was like power bomb.
Better than A.R. Rahman?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
The lighting was perfect.
Okay.
And even the sound system and everything was so nice. And the
Okay.
DJ part was also amazing.
So in the beginning, you were standing at the starting or the back?
No, I was standing
You were standing starting.
Yeah, we
Okay.
came around 5:30. So
You came around
Once
5:30.
at a time, like he was so close to us.
yeah,
Okay.
so
I
it was,
literally like wanted to like, oh God, please get my hand, baby.
Please bring me to the stage. Right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
didn't you feel like it could have been better? The things that could have been better in the concert?
Maybe
I
like
mean-
it could have been a little longer, maybe.
It could have been longer.
Yeah, longer.
Okay.
Because the wait, like it all
Yeah.
ended, and I was like, oh my God, no, I do expect more. Like
Yeah, it was
And
ended
also-
abruptly, right?
And also
Yeah.
we performed the Fiend song in South Africa
Only-
like for 6-7 times. Here it was only one time.
I think it was
twice.
3 times, right?
No, only one time.
It was one time?
Yeah, it was
no,
one time.
I think it was 3 times.
yeah, twice or thrice.
Twice or thrice.
One or twice.
Because I remember making videos 3 times.
Yeah.
And coming to the safety concern, it was great.
Actually,
you
did ask
know
some
this-
girls as well earlier,
Yeah.
and they told me that they had to kick 3 or 4 guys out.
No. In
was not
our
like
in our
Like, where do you sitting seat?
No, we are standing, right?
In the silver
So
section.
there
Yeah,
were
the
no
silver
any kind of, like
the
we
guys
felt
that
very,
were around us were great.
Very
I mean-
nice. They were
Yeah.
very nice. They took care of us. They were like, stay with
Great,
us.
great.
They were like
protect
all
you." It was
covering
like
us,
that.
so
We
that we
met
don't
for the
actually
first
get
time.
to that.
The thing we have observed with foreign artists is that in the foreign artist concert, the girls are pretty much safe.
Yeah.
And in the in the Indian concert, there's an issue with the safety.
Yeah.
That's what I felt.
Yeah.
internally. Thank you so much, Tuleka.
Thank you so much. I think I know you somehow.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Basically,
You are
Somewhat. Yeah, maybe
Some
I
vibe.
know you.
Some kind of vibe.
not basically this is our first video for my channel.
okay.
Yeah. So
This
currently I'm
is
studying
at the
at-
beginning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Currently I'm studying at IIT Delhi. I'm doing my masters.
Okay.
So yeah, this is the first video. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. May
Nice
I know
meeting
your channel?
Yeah, it's Rudyansh Parekh. I'll just give you a screenshot.
Yeah, please.
This is the channel. Earlier we used to post watch videos and car videos, but this will be our first video. Hi guys, I'm with Dishita. And where are you from?
Delhi.
You're from Delhi. And which section you were?
I was in gold.
Gold. And how was your experience overall?
I mean, honestly, it was fine.
I felt like कि Travis को थोड़ी देर और रहना चाहिए था. बाकी it was fine. It was fun.
Okay, and which was your favorite song?
Fiend, of course.
Fiend, of
Feel
course.
any insecurity with the concert or anything like you want?
Was
to
the like the crowd was safe?
Yeah, the crowd was pretty safe. I don't know about silver, but gold was pretty safe. I mean, we had appropriate space.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah,
And you,
sure.
it was like quite safe, right?
Yeah, it was quite safe.
Thank you so much, Akshay.
I'm Inayat.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Kashmir.
You're from Kashmir,
I came directly from Kashmir just to see Travis Scott.
and you came on 18th itself.
18 in the
Okay.
morning.
And then which was your seat?
It was in silver.
You're in silver section. And how was the overall experience of the concert?
It was surreal. It was
Okay.
extremely surreal. I couldn't feel like I was numb, completely numb. The moment Nav entered,
Okay.
it was like tremendous. I don't believe that.
Okay. And which was the favorite song?
Feeling, we just feeling for 3 times, man. What else?
Yeah. And do you felt any problem with the concert?
No, I was in the front, so I didn't feel. The people at back might have because of the mosh pit, but not in the front.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kashif. Hi, Kashif. And where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
You're from Bihar as well? You have came with them?
Yeah.
Okay. And when did you come?
Like I live here for studies.
Okay, okay, okay. So, and how was your overall experience?
It was crazy.
It was crazy.
Yeah, it was so good.
Okay. And this is the first concert.
Yeah, this is my first concert.
And Travis.
And Travis.
Yeah, that must be amazing, right?
Amazing. So good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which was your favorite song?
5%.
5%.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you feel as a girl like there were any security issues?
No, it was like everything was well settled.
Okay. Actually, we had asked some other girls as well, and they told that they had to kick some guys out of the concert.
Yeah, there were some, but it was overall good.
It was overall good.
Yeah.
So, you decided it was a worth it experience?
Yeah, worth it. Totally worth it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kashish. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so. Was fucked up, bro.
What is your name and where are you from?
So my name is Dvijesh. I'm from Mumbai. And,
You're from Mumbai?
मेरा मुंबई का टिकट कैन हो गया. Fuck you, bro. मैं मुंबई
Yeah.
का टिकट कैन हो गया just because उसको 1 महीने बाद बोलना था कि वो मुंबई आने वाला. Bro, Delhi was amazing.
It was amazing, right? And which was your favorite song?
Everything, bro. I was good with it.
Okay. And how was your experience?
Fucking epic, bro.
What's your
Where were
favorite
you-
song? What is your favorite song?
I would say it's been like no shit.
And where were you
fucking
sitting?
shit.
Where were you sitting?
Who's sitting?
Where were you standing? Like which
I
section?
was in the silver section.
You were in the silver section.
Ahead, beside the stage answer.
The energy was fucking amazing,
Fucking
right?
beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Can't get that again.
Any reaction of yours?
May I have your name, please?
Okay, hi. So I'm Rupali, and the concert was fucking crazy, dude. And
And where are you from?
I'm from Delhi only, and
Okay.
I came for the concert. And my favorite song was STP.
STB.
Yeah. So and Fiend was fucking crazy. Bhai, mosh pit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And you were sitting in the silver. You were in the silver section, right?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah. So it was an overall amazing experience.
Fart, gone fart, bhai.
Thank you so
Can I
much.
curse? Can I curse?
Yeah, you can curse. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Juhi. And where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in which section you were?
I was in silver standing area.
Okay. And how was your overall experience?
It was very crowded, but so good, so fun. Absolutely loved it.
Okay. And which was your favorite song?
My favorite song was probably Goosebumps, and of course me.
Okay. And did you felt like as a girl, did you felt any safety concerns?
Yes, safety concerns because the boys are really not in control. But that's
Okay.
okay. Just go with your friends. That's okay. You'll enjoy.
So overall, it was an amazing experience.
Yes,
right?
100% recommend.
Thank you so much, Juhi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Excuse me. Can I start with any of you?
Can we do it together?
Yeah, sure.
That's nice.
So I'm with
Saina.
Saina and Avni. Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Gurgaon.
And you're from Gurgaon. And you were sitting in the silver section, right?
I was gold.
Gold. And you were
Gold.
gold. And how was your overall experience of the concert?
It was really good.
Okay. And which is your favorite song? Telekinesis. Okay. And did you felt as a girl? Did you felt any safety concern in the concert?
You don't need this motion.
Okay.
We got 3 guys. The guards were amazing. One of the guards got someone kicked out. Yeah, we got 3 guys. We got 3 guys.
You got 3 guys kicked out.
Yeah, they were all scared of us. Yeah.
Okay. So overall, it was an amazing experience.
Yeah, but we should leave the t-shirts on.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Very sticky, sweaty men.
Yeah.
Where were you?
I was in lounge.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
But the vibe must be
Basically, the
dead.
drinks were.
Did you buy it on?
But the vibes must be dead.
I don't think so. The vibes were
Were there
amazing.
mosh pits in the lounge area?
There was no.
There were no mosh pits. We both were the only girls in the mosh pit, and it was like anything. It was like
Something
a
amazing, man.
70 people mosh pit, and then we were in the middle. It was crazy.
So your name is
My name is Janvi.
Janvi, and where you from?
I'm from Gurgaon.
And you?
I'm Tanya, and I'm also from
Okay, and you won the silver.
Yeah, we were in the
Is there
same
any
section.
insecurity you feel?
Nah, man, they were like all the guys who were with us. They were
So
letting
basically,
us
the
in
guards were
our-
taking the guys out.
Yes, no, but there was no need to kick the guys out.
There were 3 guys who just like got kicked out really badly. And we
Okay.
both
It was crazy.
हाँ, got it.
Crazy vibe.
So मतलब overall मजा आएगा.
We just know
Yeah!
that our voices are gonna be gone by tomorrow. All the tall guys were
Brother, there is no reaction of yours.
Yeah, what is your name?
tall enough. That's why.
Pranav, you're from?
I'm from Panipat.
You're from Panipat?
Yeah.
That's amazing. You came today itself?
Yes.
Okay. And so you went the gold section?
No. I had gold, but my friends were going in silver, so I had to go in silver.
Okay.
So what you all say about the concert? Like, yes.
Amazing.
Just can you give your voice louder?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Best concert.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.